Okay, we're working on the west side parlor, the ceiling. And this was the room where we had to remove the outer edge. Originally there was about a foot removed on the outer edge. So we think there was probably some type of molding here that was taken out at some point. And then they ran strips of wood across the ceiling, nailed them in. You can see their chalk lines here. And then at that point they put in a drop ceiling, one of those kind of press board ceilings. So we removed that, which ended up opening up this outer edge here. And the problem with that, we didn't realize at the time, that whole edge there was vented out to the outer porch, which was how the pigeons and squirrels were getting in here. So they were coming into this ceiling and roosting when it was cold. So by pulling off about 32 inches all the way around, we were able to vacuum the ceiling. We got it pretty darn good. The smell is going away. And now we'll be showing you more here, but basically what we're doing is we're going to put up the tin ceiling panels, 2-foot panels, down through here with wood molding on this side and more molding here and possibly more molding here. We haven't decided on that or talked about it yet, but you can see the old marks here where they had their molding for hanging pictures years ago. So right now we're working on this center part. We wanted to salvage this because of the design in the center. It's definitely from the original family as far as everything we know about the place and have torn apart and everything. So it looks like kind of a cake design up on the ceiling. I think they probably did most of it down and then picked it up and put it up there. We're going to try to rebuild that, or Amy is going to, using latex caulking. Maybe see more about that later. So right now I screwed in here. I countersunk some holes in here because some of this is loose in certain spots because of pulling the nails out of the boards. It loosened it up. So I've re-screwed it, and now what I'm going to do is take some joint compound and just go over it. It's going to take many coats, and if I feel some of these joints, if I feel they're going to be moving, I might put latex caulking in there, but I don't really think this is going to be moving much because I got it up there pretty good. So we're going to just take our time, go across here, and use a joint compound. Probably have to go over it like 10 different times and then repair the center.